Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, yesterday we were looking at Friday's bar and wondering whether that was a shooting star. Now we've had a gap up and a closed red body, still in that channel, sort of. So, gap up, come down, try and retrace, come back down again. So, difficult to ascertain what they're trying to do here at the moment. I still believe they're going to still test 1400. They're going to keep testing it. So it's the bulls are going to be wanting to buy 1400. They're going to want confirmation of that, and the bears are going to want 1400 to give, which is going to start setting up the scene for them. So proper tussle at the moment here. This channel has broken. The question is that a retest? Very possible that is going to be a retest. Let's just extend the channel a bit. Okay, could be a retest. It could just be a wider channel as well. So could just be widening the channel a bit. I wouldn't read too much into that just yet. So the trick is going to be to see where are the horizontals. So 1400 is key, and as I said yesterday, until we get a proper retest of this 1400, I'm actually not keen to be in on the DAX. So it does look like we've had a strong trend up, and now we're starting to sort of go sideways, drift sideways. Could also be a range forming here. Oscillators on the hour are they're not overbought, but I think on the higher time frames, that's where the problem comes in. So if you start looking here, you can see we are probably going to cross over, and on the daily, still no real indication that we have a top at the moment. So I suppose my advice with this one today is really 15 minutes again, but look at the last 2 days. The last 2 days have been pretty sideways. So just looking at this, I think 1400 is what we were looking for. So I want to make sure we defend 1400. So let's say we're looking to have that defended today. If we can get 1400 defended today and we get a daily close above 1400, then it's going to sort of give you a little bit more confidence for the move to the upside. At the moment, I would be a buyer of 1400. I think that's a good place to be buying. If you're looking, we're on the 15 minutes, and if you look at how this close happened, good possibility that we do come down. Where are we at the moment? Give me 1 sec. 1443, ever so slightly flat at the moment. So yeah, I think it's a wait and see situation for me here. I think that's pretty much the simplest plan of action at the moment. This is range bound. Until we break through this range, I'm not interested. So 1400 I administered as a buy, which would be bottom of range and big level, and we have had 2 days above it, so that would give me some confidence. Not looking to sell off here until we get below 1400 and retest it and reject 1400. That would give me selling. So 1400 is my line in the sand, but I need a little bit more confirmation before I start chasing any longs. I suspect we're going to be sideways again, and yesterday's volumes were very low. But anyway, that's the way it goes some days, and nothing really else I can add to that. So for me, it's money in pocket, sit and wait on the sidelines and wait and see what transpires here. That's kind of the trade that I've got on the DAX at the moment. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.